our slide gates, we're going to come with a steel frame. I want you to notice here on the steel frame that we've delivered a 3" by 3" installation on the top. We're also going to put that on the bottom. We're going to have a 3" by 3" on the bottom. So that's going to be the outside edge of your framework. On the inside of your framework, we're going to use a 2" by 2" galvanized framework on the inside. And then your wood will be attached. This here is a cedar sliding gate. So this has cedar on the front side of it. So we're going to attach our cedar through the 2 by 2. If this needed top cap on top, a top cap could be put on top of this. But this right here is a galvanized sliding gate that slides back and forth with a steel frame. It should last a long time.